Njitagwo Ndegwa Bull na tini kwa kugweta maritwa madu kana kwariria andu muno, but I think some circumstances are forcing us to do this for the sake of our young people. Muthi ndira kwari uhoro wa kairitu getagwo Stacy wa digital. Ni ria ndaiguire kairitu kau ria mbere ndaiguaga kigweto Stacy wa digital ati niwe we behind our sijui digital platforms na ni ndiakoi. No muthenya mwe wa Kirumba akianjia gukahe handu kageithanie ona kageithanagiria behind the camera and all those things na kohe kairitu karumirwo ni kairitu kau, you don't have any talent, we ikara na kuu thutha wa thimu and all those words. No kairitu na nie ri kavai jarie ma ni ona ndagathikirie ria mbere ndaigua gatire na confidence. No kairitu kau ni kohegire, she agreed to be mentored ona karumo gagitikira wa Kirumba na wa Kirumba ngucokerie ngatho muno tondu you have done a lot. Ona team master wa Kirumba mitheko yaku ni yatumire team master ona keigwe no atuike mundu na nie ndire na thina mukiariria yo kahama tondu team master aria matoe ndimwire ni mucene ni mundurume watu wekirire sukari ndufia no ndufia twiragwo ati ni bishop wito Bishop JJ ati mucene wendete gatufia riu team master ri ni gacukari ekirire he ndufia o mucene ora wakoragwo ku itura-ini akiwoya akiutua content yake, and that is why he literally talks about people na maundu maria mararikwo tondu ni mucene ugekirwo sukari ugakora radio-ini na team master akinyitwo ni wa Kirumba na akigituika mundu. But let me go back to my point. Kairitu kau ni karumirwo muno na ono muthio no karumagwo no ndirakarora ngona kari ni brand ambassador wa makambuni maingi muno na ni kairitu riu nginya kagite confidence nginya wona uria kararugama mbere ya andu gakeria. She has gained confidence ni undu wa gwitikira kwa under pressure. Ni ndirekirire message hana ndaigwa andu nginya ona ni makienda kunuma tutirenda pressure. No, if you don't want hard things in this life you will never have soft life. Akonwenda ukagia na soft life, do hard things in life. Na wa Kirumba Ngai akurathime muno ni uguo wikaga. Kairitu kau getagwo Stacy ni kageretie jiguaga ki host Pastor Beth na gakika advert ukaigua yes she is going somewhere na Stacy waikaranga wajie gwetha some few friends no ndukamethe ni witondu na gutire mundu wa gwethire. Let them come to you, let them seek knowledge, reke moke bamenye mundu arumo behave gatia ekaga atia. Ona ithu twanathie kuu okameme tukarumo irumi cikara line uguo. And one thing, if you don't have the shock absorbers ya kurumo ni andu mundu kiriekaga ni ku avoid maundu maria ungiona ni urumirwo. Ona mundu ni switchaga off social media, we ukogeka programs ya kama kawaida ugeka maundu maku ma kawaida. I'm speaking this not because of that incident ire rahanikire, but to all the young people that are outside there. Tamwiruta riu ona tutire ruta na arume tamwiruta na kairitu kau getagwo Stacy. Now she has become a brand. Mwiri turatho komanda niguo arumitwo na nginya muthio no arumagwo na njiraga andu ungikona maundu maria mothe ureka everybody is approving you, then you have a problem. Is either you are doing nothing kana andu ni marakuiguira to marona to kwiita makwariria. But riria ukona andu manjia gukuruma guku criticize kuga nduri na kiheo namwe marakuruma na bando cia gukomba, no, you are going somewhere. We have been there, we have done that, not to go to tuikaine muno, but one thing that has sustained us twakinya miaka ira twena na tugeka tondu twenaguo ni gukorwo turi andu meihuragia, turi andu matuikaga strong na tukamenya andu makuruma na magukriticize ni kuga there is somewhere you are heading. Stacy, keep it up. Wa Kirumba Ngai akurathime ni maundu maria wikaga na oguo githiaga okay ni hindi njira kuigwo cinuite kairitu kau gakera gatige wana na andu makanege na ikarero atia. That is what a mentor should do and how a mentor should be. Anake na iritu aya nini kurio tukiuria kimwe tukia accountability. Why are you doing this? Why are you going this way? Ona ndungimuona ringi ona uga ni akuyuraga ni ararumirwo. So we have to help these young people, Gen Z, matuike strong. We are not saying this at thoni twahurirwo kani twatesirwo. No, that is the only way in this life. Njitagwo Pastor Ndegwa Bull. Ngai amurathime.